For me, brass banding was a hobby. So I started because my dad played the trombone. And then when I was kind of looking for what I wanted to do, where I wanted to go, what I wanted to study, I kind of looked at, what do I like doing? And for me, my one love and passion was playing the cornet. I came to Wales and fell in love with Cardiff and the city. From there, it's kind of shaped my life really, and I wouldn't have had it any other way. I love playing brass bands, I love playing brass, and it's taken me all over the world, and this was the place where I wanted to be to do that. Having the Cory Band as the band in residence at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama was invaluable as a student here. It kind of bridged the gap between what would be education and almost like a professional world of playing. So I would say to anybody getting to brass playing, whether you're, 5 years old, 10 years old, 50 years old, just go for it. Playing brass gives you so many opportunities, and there's loads of different avenues you can go down, brass banding across the UK and even globally.